GBN was unable on Wednesday to get information as to the cost of the 8-year-old trial. However, according to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, the resources required to get to Tuesday's stage involved a combination of resources. Crown Counsel Brendan Latouche says the case has been in their books since 2009.
Yes, considerable resources from state would have had to be expended in order to proceed with the matter. In particular, we would have had at least 2 witnesses that came from outside. You have Anthony Moore, who was based in Trinidad. He was a director of the Capital Bank International. And we have the receiver, David Holocaust, based in the UK, but in and out of Grenada. So the state would have had to go into some expense to have these witnesses come to give evidence.
The Bourg was arrested in February 2009 and indicted in 2011 on 6 criminal charges that include 2 counts of fraudulent appropriation of property by a director and 4 counts of falsification of minutes. The charges sought to address alleged misappropriation of millions of dollars unaccounted for at the Capital Bank International, the brainchild of the Bourg, during its function in Grenada during the period 1988 to 2008. Latouche explained how the 23-year sentence was arrived at.
The 2, first count 1 and count 6, dealt with fraudulently appropriating funds of Capital Bank International. Counts 2, 3, and 4 dealt with falsifying minutes, and count 5 dealt with falsifying an entry in the accounts. Each of those accounts carried a maximum sentence of 7 years. What happened yesterday at the sentencing, he was sentenced to 5 years on counts 1 to 4. All carried 5 years, and counts 5 and 6 carried 6 and 7 respectively. How the mathematics worked is that counts 2, 3, and 4 carried 5 years to run concurrently. So it's 1 term of 5 years. Counts 1, 6, and 7 are to run consecutively, so meaning one after the next. So in total, he got a total of 23 years.
The matter is one of many which the Office of the DPP sought to close off in 2016. The September assizes began with 145 cases, 26 were completed, and 8 traversed for sentencing during the next session beginning January. Eugenia Peters, GBN News.